We have got a duo of sin stocks moving in different directions. Liquor maker Brown-Forman finishing almost 4% higher after reporting better than expected results and guidance. The CEO joined Power Lunch today.
The spirits business has been solid through this pandemic. It's been very volatile. You've seen ups and downs. We've seen consumers move from restaurants to the off-premise and then back again. So you've had tremendous volatility, but tremendous resilience. And the business has hung together.
Meantime, Altria dropping more than 8% after Morgan Stanley downgrading the stock, saying that inflation is having an impact on cigarette demand. Guy Adami, your take on one, both, none?
Well, I mean, I just want to give a quick shout out to all the people watching from San Aquito High School. Brian, I do pay attention, by the way. Brown-Forman has this major double bottom if you go back and look for you technicians out there. And I think valuation-wise, you can make a compelling case. What I will say, if you want to be in the space, and we've said this for a while, Constellation Brands is a place to be. STZ symbol there. Recently made an all-time highs, pulled back, still reasonable valuation. And, oh, by the way, I don't know if Tim is watching enough, but you get that cannabis portion as well. So space is clearly in play. Constellation is where I would go.
And by San Diego, and we were talking about in the break because Eddie Vedder of Pearl Jam and I went to the same Valley Junior High School in Carlsbad, California. Two things, go Vikings, came out at me and Eddie Vedder. He's a lot better at everything than I am. Bonwin, your take on the Altria liquor trade.
Yeah, so you know what? I'll kind of compare and contrast these two, right? I think when you think of cigarettes and liquor, you kind of think about them being counter-cyclical and having some inelasticity of demand and kind of being able to perform through various market cycles. My key takeaway, and you mentioned it earlier in the segment, you showed the clip. Later on in that segment, he speaks about the impact that the reopening of restaurants and bars has had. And I think when you juxtapose those two, that's an effect that has happened on Brown-Forman that has not happened on Altria. The last thing I'll say is, you know, I relatively think of MO as a safer play when I'm looking at places where I can run and hide. And if you're really starting to see inflation impact that segment, I really think your antennae have to raise, and you've got to start understanding what impact this is going to have on the broader market.
Yeah, and Pete, I mean, Jack Daniels, booming apparently.
Yeah. Absolutely. Absolutely. You know, the spirits is absolutely, you know, it's been volatile, but it sounds like it's going extremely well, extremely strong. I'd like to hit on this Altria real quick, though. The idea that people are willing to or need to move away from the higher end to the lower end of cigarettes, that tells us a lot about inflation, right? I mean, I think it's an amazing thing, and I thought this analyst did a great job. So it's a name that I have liked in the past. I've actually had some pretty good rides, and when you look at the year-to-date performance, it was good until today. So I think it's something that I think it's very important. I think a lot of what they pointed out makes so much sense right now because of the fact that people are having to scale down and scale back and go to more generic as opposed to being in what they'd like to be doing, which would be the higher end of cigarettes right now.
You wonder if it's going to happen in liquor, too. You know, go for Jack Daniels, the Mad Dog 2020. Yeah. Don't do that.